Hi everybody, we're making a movie about making a Harley Davidson quilt for Dave Thurman. He's going to be very proud of it. He's been wearing all these t-shirts and now I cut them all up. I'm going to make him a quilt out of them. Okay, here's all his t-shirts. Here they are, all cut up, all arranged. He's got a 5x7 thing going on here. This thing is going to be huge. Okay? Here's the back. Whew, he's got the flames going on there. Okay, we'll get back to you when we get further on it. Okay, here we are, sewing Dave's quilt together. Woo! Okay, sewing the blocks together, ironing them flat. This guy is gonna love this thing. Actually, he already does. Just give you a little plug for our store here. It's in Hebron on Route 47, across from the dairy. And we can sew patches on. See this big mother? That'll sew the patches right on your leathers. I actually sew at a Harley dealer every Saturday from around 10 until 2. That's in Woodstock. Unless I'm fishing or snowmobiling. Come visit us in our shop, okay? Hey, putting the borders on now. I am having the most fun. I hope 1,000,000 people want me to make these because they are just a ball and they're so cool looking. Okay, the flames are going around the edges and on the back. Check in with you later. Going through the sewing machine to get quilted. This quilt was at the Harley Davidson dealer in Woodstock yesterday. Hopefully I drummed up some more business. Lots of people liked it and they wanted some just like it. Want to watch it go through the machine? Okay, hold on. I hope you can see it. Okay, watch it go through. Last night I watched all these upholstery videos and they were way too long and way too stupid. Just, who wants to watch the sewing all the time? But I thought you might want to see just a little bit of it. Bye! Ah. Okay, almost finished. Hung it up in the shop. It's got a sleeve on the back. Sides are done. I just have to finish tacking down the binding, but it is awesome. What a treasure. Can't wait to make more, like I keep saying. Just a little bit. Pillows! Okay, here's one, here's two, putting them together today and finishing up the quilt. Okay, the right thread goes into the right hole down here. Okay, it will go through the right needle. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to pull it out of the hole there. And now you'll see what I'm doing. It's not working. Okay, see, watch this. This is the right one. Alright. Okay, now I'm pulling. So the right one is going on the top one. And that's important. Okay? So it's going this way. I think. Alright, you can stop for a minute. I think it should be, you know. If it has anything to do with that. Okay. Okay, so that's going to come through there and down the bottom. So it came around here and it came down in the bottom, right? Okay. Now, I must have pulled it out now. Here's the problem. Yeah, that's not going to work. It should come, I believe, right in this first one right here. Go up over that and through. Okay. All the way through. That might help. Okay. Okay. And it's going to go through here, and through these first needle things right here. Okay, so the way that this goes, finally, goes through the first one. Actually, the right thread goes through the left thing up here. Then it goes to this on the top, in the middle, over the top one, underneath the bottom one in the first groove, and then continues through and goes into the right needle here. Alright, I'm done.